Hello, readers, welcome back. Today, our story is Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want, yes? Uh, what? A ball, a swim, a hat? Choo! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. I. Uh. Chew. I cannot sneeze. Chew. Sneezing. Oh no. What if? What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. But, Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. I uh, choo. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. So, did you guys love the story? Pigs make me sneeze. Do you also sneeze when you get a cold? If you like to hear more stories, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.